How to add custom code in Squarespace. So in order to add a custom code, what you can do is you first need to head over to the website that you have and click onto this edit site. Once you have done that, click onto this edit. Now here is my site. I have in here this right there. Let's proceed to adding here another section. And let's add it as a blank section, or you can also utilize some sections available for the templates that you can actually use. For this case, let me proceed to add a blank section. Into this blank section, let's click on this add block and search in here for code. You can see in here the code option. So proceed to drag and drop it wherever you want to put it. As you can see, here is the code preview. Proceed to click on this edit and then just enter right here what code you want. It can be a mode of HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Markdown, as well as plain text. You can also display the source code for this right here if you would want, and just input right here the code that you wish to utilize for this case. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.